If you want to add yes or no in Lucidchart, the good news is that it's actually very easy once you know where to start. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to create a decision point, connect your branches, and let Lucidchart label the yes and no paths for you. So if you're making a flowchart, process map, or any kind of decision tree, this will save you time and make your diagram much clearer. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into Lucidchart. First, open the document you want to work on. Once you're inside your canvas, look over to the shape library on the left side. You'll want to find the decision shape, which usually looks like a diamond. This shape is used whenever you need to ask a question or show a condition with two possible outcomes. Now, drag and drop that decision shape onto your canvas. Place it wherever it makes sense in your flowchart. After that, click inside the shape and type your condition or question. For example, you could type something like, "Is data valid?" or "Is the request approved?" The idea is to make the question clear so the reader immediately understands what the decision is about. Once your decision shape is in place, the next step is to draw the connector lines. To do that, hover your mouse over the edge of the diamond shape until you see a small red dot appear. That red dot shows you where you can start a connection. Click and drag outward from that point to the next shape or next step in your flowchart. As you connect the lines, Lucidchart will automatically label the first branch as yes and the next branch as no. This is one of the easiest parts of using a decision shape, because you do not need to manually type the labels every time. Lucidchart helps organize the flow for you so your diagram stays neat and readable. If the labels do not appear exactly how you want them, you can always adjust the connectors afterward. You can move shapes around, reposition the lines, and make sure the yes branch leads to the correct outcome and the no branch goes to the alternate path. The goal is to keep the decision logic simple and visually easy to follow. This is especially useful when you are building workflows, troubleshooting steps, approval processes, or any chart that needs a clear fork in the road. Instead of guessing where to place yes or no, you simply use the decision shape and connect the branches. It's fast, clean, and beginner-friendly. So to recap, add a decision shape, type in your question, draw the connector lines, and Lucidchart will handle the yes and no labels for your branches. That's really all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Lucidchart tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.